of you. My name is Siddiq Mohammed, the Chancellor of Universal Blockchain University, Florida, America. The first blockchain university in the world, approved by the Florida government, American government. Our mission is to train 1 billion people and children about the latest technologies called blockchain, digital currencies, and artificial intelligence. So with me today, a very important person, Mr. Sunil Shetty. He is the author of this book, Journey of Human Souls.
Soul Journey of Human.
Soul Journey of Human. Okay, this is very important point, where we go. Where we go from this world, where we travel. So I like this concept, and he is going to train you for a breathing technique after this program, 15 minutes. All of you must join, which can, in 15 minutes, you can double your energy through his techniques, breathing techniques, okay? And also with me, a very important saint from South, from Kerala, from Bangalore, Surya Jobal. Okay, Surya Jobal. Let's give a big applause to Surya ji. Okay, and he has been with me last more than 10 years, supporting my mentor, my advisor, my supporter, everything. And he is going to launch today a big mission for the entire humanity called Aham Brahmasmi. I am the universe. I am the universe. So this mission originated in India 4,000 years back through Rig Veda. And this is the most needed thing for today's world. Okay? And our university want to train 1 billion people. 1 billion people and children about the new technology of money. The new technology of money. Okay? Who don't want money in this here? Who don't want money? Who don't want money here? Money is more than oxygen. Money is more than oxygen we need till we die. But money we need after our death. So money is more precious than oxygen. Okay? So that is our university teaching. The latest technology of money called the cryptocurrencies. The crypto? Everybody know about Bitcoin. How many people know about Bitcoin? Yeah. Everybody knows. So now we are coming with an education plan. 1 billion people across the world. We say, Aham Brahmasmi, I am the universe. So I need a universal currency. I need a universal currency. So Indian currency or American currency, any other country currency we can use only in that country. But cryptocurrencies we can utilize everywhere in this world. Okay?
Please try to look in the camera.
Okay. So we are going to expect. We are expecting a lot of other VVPs, and with me also Dr. Lakshmi Agarwal. He is our mentor, our advisor, and he is the person behind everything. When I come to Sahara, he is the person who done everything. And Bellaji, all of you know, she is a great lady, Rita Bella. Okay, recently we honored her, and she is a source of inspiration. Source of inspiration for all the people in this world. I call her a universal mother. Universal mother. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So after this program, we request all of you to have this breathing technique from. You all got the book, you know. He brought 50 books here. Okay, 50 books. So all of you can take this one book. Oh, sorry. All of you can take this book. Okay. And after that, we have a lot of important guests come from Euro Exim Bank, and we have Siddharth Doshi. So we are going to appoint them our brand ambassadors through honoring with an honorary doctorate from our university. Siddharth, you're here, huh? Yes. Please come. Let's give a big welcome to Siddharth. Yeah. Siddharth, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So Siddharth
honored.
is a very dynamic business personality from Indore, I think.
Indore.
And we have a lot of other people coming, and today we have a surprise for you. A young girl, 6-year-old. 6-year-old girl. I met her in Dubai before 5 years when she was 1 year old, and I gave her a 500 dirham, okay, as a gift, and she was running like this. But now she is going to come and teach you how to open a crypto wallet. So we say we are all here for a short period. Am I correct? Yes. Without any guarantee for our life and body. Yes. Any guarantee for our life and body? No. Yeah. I used to, I want to tell Sid Banerjee also. Sid Banerjee, please come here. Let's give a big welcome to Sid Banerjee. Yes. We met in Saudi Arabia 30 years back. No, one chair. What I am saying, I used to tell a joke about, the recent loss of the government of India. Okay. Yesterday also I spoke to him, Sid Banerjee and all. We have to value the lives of each and every human on earth. Okay? So there exist only two lives in this universe. Basically, there exist only two master lives. Like I know my father, my mother. How many father I know? How many father you know? Who is my original father? So this is a universal truth. We are all come from a single father and single mother. Okay? So here, everybody's life is precious. So as far as the money is concerned, the whole money in this world in the hands of few people. Am I correct? The whole money in the whole world is in the hand of 13 families, 13 groups. Okay? One family controls $500 trillion. Our GDP is how much, you know? Indian GDP is how much? Anybody know the GDP of India? $4 trillion. $4 trillion. Out of 4 trillion, 1 trillion with Adani, 1 trillion with Ambani. Okay? And rest with 100 people. So the common man don't have anything. Okay? So the money system is totally concentrated in the hands of some people. Am I correct? So this has to be liberated to all the 8 billion people on earth. We are all universal citizens and the whole universe belongs to us. Am I correct?
Yes.
Though I born in India, I am not the slave of India. Though I born as a Muslim, I am not the slave of Muslim. So we say the whole universe is for us. So we have something called the universal citizen movement. We say nothing insignificant in this universe, nothing is final and nobody dies. So we want everybody to live in this world with all kinds of power. So we need first we need oxygen, second we need the money power. So we have this technology now, the blockchain technology, the crypto technology. So we are going to educate 1 billion people. Okay? So, just one second. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, tell me. Can you say a few words about you now? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Sunil Shetty, life coach and healer. I'm 60 plus actually. I worked for a corporate like Siemens and Wipro for 25 years and I came out of the corporate life and I started my own soul journey. And last almost 15 years I am in a total meditative kind of experiences and my soul awakening is basically leads to this particular book writing. And I released this book 4 years back and I came out with my company also Sumira Life Management Private Limited. The company is recognized by various awards, but the USP of my company is, or my advancement is basically I capture your consciousness in terms of how the consciousness are formed. Yeah. By simple assessment test, it is patented. And with this particular assessment, I basically capture it's like an X-ray, what presently your personality is in the form of consciousness, like emotional intelligence, in a duality rather. Left brain versus right brain, your specific meridians.
I'm to question now. So after this program,
yes,
you start with the breathing for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Because the time is very short, we have to do something.
Yes,
so, Sid Banerjee, can you give 1 minute talk about our journey?
Do I need to have a mic or can speak?
Yeah, you can.
Right. Good afternoon, gentlemen, ladies as well. It's an exceptional opportunity for me, a very old acquaintance, and even a friend of Muhammad Siddiq. We both started our profession 30 years back and continuously I'm watching him. A concentrated person with single-mindedness. It would not be an exaggeration to say selflessly he has been working. I don't want to praise him in front of all and in his presence. That would be something wrong. But the matter of fact remains, he's handling something exceptional today. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I hail from a village of Bihar. I'm a Bong by birth. I'm national person, travel to 24 countries, and I have my office in New York. It is just to let you know the exposure of a village man with today's stage and age of my life. I can praise this young man with my lofty wishes to go ahead all through life for the good of humanity, and that's what he's doing. My regards.
Thank you very much. Suryaji, few words from you. Suryaji, introduce yourself.
Namaste, my name is Suryaji. I'm a traveler of Surya. Sun is my guru, spreading throughout about the importance of sun in our life. It's a life force, life source, and it's a guru of everybody, all the culture, Incas, Mayan, Egyptian, everywhere. Only one sun, and SUN sun, single unified nation, Ekalog. Bharat means it's the land of Surya. We are Surya Putras, children of sun, and sun is the living God. Surya Atmo Jagat. Aham Brahmasmi means Aham Suryasmi. Without sun, all darkness. The sun has to come within us. Otherwise, we all are in darkness. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityu to Amaratva. Eat light, drink light, you become light. Let there be light.
Oh, that's good.
And the mission of Siddiq, to spread throughout the world the mission of light and love. That it's a need of this hour.
Yeah.
Perfect.
See, the main thing is, let's all say, Aham Brahmasmi.
Aham Brahmasmi.
I am the universe.
I am the universe.
Because the human brain, the human mind represents the entire universe. We should not allow anybody to mislead us. Because we are all here for a short period, there is no second chance. There is no any second chance for the human being. Only we transformation and incarnation. But we don't have a second chance. Everybody has the right to live. Everybody has the right to live their life. So can you please say a few words about you, Siddharji?
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Siddharth Doshi, and Executive Director at Doshi Consultant Private Limited, Indore. And I'm honored that I'm part of Dr. Siddiqui's noble cause and the mission what is being followed. So our background is from the pharmaceutical. So we have to make sure that every human what they are having, they are getting each and every medicine at a low cost, economical cost. So that's why our job is to make sure that the manufacturing facility what is being built is ready to serve the human being or civilians with the low cost. It is for the good life, happy life for the people. So this is what.
So how many countries you are spread now?
So we have almost 40 countries. We have our own footprint.
Yeah.
And giving from India,
Yeah.
giving service to international people. It's a proud to be an Indian and giving them a best education what we can give to them.
Do you believe in the universal citizen movement?
Yes.
You're right. So today we are going to honor him because he has to travel to Goa.
Yeah.
So within the next half an hour, you have
Yes.
to excuse me.
Okay.
We are going to give the
Sure,
award
sir.
of
Thank you so
excellence.
much.
And another guest we come like Dr. Apurva and the girl come, the 6-year-old girl come. Yeah. No, she come here. Come here. You come here. You come here. Yeah. I will take her. I met her before 5 years in Dubai. You don't remember, So
5 years before.
5 years before, okay. And she is the daughter of Shivani. Shivani, our director, and Dr. Apurva. They are IIT gold medalists, and we are partner. So we are going to together train 1 billion people and students. So we say the human brain, the best power of a human brain start at the age of 6. Start at the age of 6 to 19. 6 to 19. This is a time, the best time for a human being. Imagine your power at the age of 15 or 16. Do you have that power now? No. Nobody is having that power. So that's what I want to tell the government of India. They made a law. If somebody want to marry, they have to become 21 years old. Yes. If somebody want to make their child, they have to become 21 years old. Do you think it's a good thing? Yes. Do you think it's a good thing? No. What's the guarantee that somebody can live up to 21 years? What is the guarantee that somebody can live up to 21 years? Any guarantee? And what is the most precious thing of a human being? Our children. God has given the power to us for a girl 13 years, a man at the age of 15. This is the best time of a human being. It's up to the people. It's up to the people. Like I tell you one, yesterday I told you one story about Shahnaaz Hussain. You know Shahnaaz Hussain? Shahnaaz Sarbai. She married at the age of 13. She became mother at the age of 14. And she became a grandmother at the age of 30. Now she's 86 or 89 years old, 6th generation. And she became a billionaire. She became a billionaire. Because as per nature, the man and woman, they should not live alone. They should not live alone. We need the partners right from childhood. Right from? Otherwise, we go for self-sex. That kills the body and mind. So the human being, we need our partners. That is why God made equal. 8 billion people, 4 billion women, 4 billion man. Who made this? Can you imagine? Imagine for 1 billion man, only 1 million women. What's the problem in the world? People will kill each other, right or no? So who is managing the system in all the living things? So what I'm saying, lot of things we have to understand, utilize our brain, and as far as India is concerned, now our Prime Minister wants make India the richest nation in this world. So I tell the Indian Prime Minister, India was the richest country in the world for 1,700 years. 1,000? First century to 17th century, 30% of the world GDP from India. Sone ke chidiya. Sone ke chidiya. But who destroyed? The British people come, they loot everything, they impose the wrong education system. They impose the wrong education system to create job seekers. To create job seekers. So we want to say, like China, they go to nursery class, they learn everything. How to cook, how to clean, how to do everything. Okay? And the same system we need in India. We should not create the job seekers. The money power should be a birthright for all people. Because even a nursery class student, they can open a crypto wallet in 2 minutes. Even a nursery class student, they can open it and they will be connected to the entire world. So more things, Shivani will speak. Come Shivani. So Shivani.
First let Vani speak. She
No,
wants to
no.
speak.
She need your courage. She need your courage.
Okay.
You come
Vani's
here.
time.
You come here. You come here. No, you come here.
So she is Vani. She wants to speak to all of you. Vani, you can go ahead.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and my brothers and sisters. I am Vani from India. I am a Gen Alpha student. I would like to talk to you about blockchain and cryptocurrencies
Oh, I give you a best welcome.
on the map and the universe.
So now, Shivani, you speak about the whole blockchain, AI, crypto. In general.
Yes, yes. So actually the system that... Short, 2 minutes. So entire system of blockchain is generally regarding distributed ledger technology that we all should know. Blockchain as a technology is very useful in all the domains, no matter you use it for healthcare or for education or in AI also. So it's actually a marriage between AI and the emerging technologies that blockchain is coming into being. Also, blockchain is useful for various technological advancements in all the sectors of life, including transport, infrastructure, housing, healthcare, education, and various other fields as well. So,
Even DigiLocker is on blockchain. Even DigiYatra is on blockchain at the back end. Even all the CBSE certificates are now being created and it's there on the blockchain. So a lot of work is already happening in India in the blockchain sector from the public side, from the government side, be it in state government, like even in Maharashtra, the real estate records, the registry and all the caste certificates, they're all stored on the blockchain, on the Polygon blockchain. So all these things are already there in the market in the government side. So it's a very good technology to be being, and cryptocurrency is one use case for it. But apart from that, what we are doing with Professor Siddiqui is all the students, 1 billion plus that will be trained in AI and blockchain and emerging technologies, we will be having their certificates on the blockchain recorded so that it can become tamper proof. There is no fake credentials or fake degrees or fake mark sheets. Once the stored the document is stored on the blockchain, it's there forever, and it can be checked or verified forever in the future. Same thing we are doing for the True CV with our globally award-winning company called EDU Book. That's what we are signing an MOU with Professor Siddiqui today, which is into global. We teach emerging technologies, AI, blockchain, and we'll teach with Professor Siddiq to 1 billion students, not only in India but in UAE, in Kenya, and other geographies around the world as well, and have their True CV, the fully verifiable CV on the blockchain, and have them with the True Jobs platform, meaning internships and everything combined together.
A big clap for her.
जी मैम आप ही बोल दो मैम कुछ बोलिए जी
मोहम्मद सिद्दीकी जी मेरे फ्रेंड है। मैं एज ए मॉडल हूँ और मैं पॉडकास्ट करती हूँ और सिद्दीकी जी से मैं बहुत टाइम से जुड़ी हूँ और ही डन ए गुड जॉब। जो भी कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। इतनी डिटेल मुझे नहीं पता जो आप सबको पता है, बट मैं सीख रही हूँ। बट मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सिद्दीकी जी के हर प्रोग्राम में आती हूँ एज ए फ्रेंड में, और मैं भी डॉक्टर की वो डिग्री ले चुकी हूँ उनके थ्रू क्लास प्रोग्राम में। बट बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
आज भी कुछ होने वाला है ऐसा कुछ?
यस, आज भी स्पेशल प्रोग्राम होने वाला है। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं हमारे साथ बहुत प्यारे प्यारे और बहुत बड़े बड़े गेस्ट हैं जिनके हम मुंह से सुन रहे हैं उनकी बातें, और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और सबको एंजॉय करना, पूरा प्रोग्राम हम आपको दिखाएंगे मीडिया के थ्रू और सबको अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू।
मेरा भी ना फोटो ले रहे हो आप
Asma Batliwala, the principal, the managing director, the founder of the Scholars Educare. I have this group of schools with me, and I have an NGO of my own, and I really thank Professor Siddiqui, Dr. Siddiqui. इनके इनिशिएटिव बहुत ही अच्छे हैं और मुझे लगता है एजुकेशन की फील्ड में हमको इसका आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, क्योंकि दिस इज़ द फ्यूचर and this is what we need, and actually this is where we are going towards, the world is going towards. आज जो हम कह रहे हैं I am Brahmastami, I am the universe, it is the truth. We have everything within us and we have to realize it now, and I think so we should put this into our thing of education. हमारे बच्चों को, हमारी आगे नई जनरेशन को हमको इसके बारे में प्रेरणा देनी चाहिए, सीख देनी चाहिए।
जी मैम।
नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र। मैं अर्चना शर्मा एक एंकर हूँ, मॉडल हूँ, एक्ट्रेस हूँ और एक फिलैंथ्रोपिस्ट हूँ। एंड आज मुझे यहाँ पे सादिक सर ने इनवाइट किया है क्योंकि आज का जो मिशन है हर बच्चे को अभ्यास देना। आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी गिव एजुकेशन टू ईच चाइल्ड, बिकॉज हमारा फंडामेंटल राइट्स भी कहता है राइट टू एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल, एंड एजुकेशन डिस्पेल्स और क्लाउड सुपरस्टिशंस। तो आई थिंक आज जो इनका मिशन है 1 बिलियन बच्चों तक पहुँचना, क्योंकि हम कहते हैं ना कोई भी देश अगर विकसित होता है तो बच्चों की पढ़ाई से होता है, और बच्चे अगर पढ़ेंगे तो देश की उन्नति ज़रूर होती है। तो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा मिशन है, हम सबको साथ होना चाहिए एंड हम सबको मिल के भारत को ही नहीं पूरे विश्व को एक एजुकेटेड वर्ल्ड बनाना चाहिए। क्योंकि अगर हम कहते हैं कि हमारा विश्व अच्छा हो, हमारी पहचान अच्छी हो, वो सी पहचान हमारी बनती है हमारी एजुकेशन से। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सपोर्ट दिस मिशन ऑफ डॉक्टर सादिक, एंड आई विश एवरीबडी लेट अस यूनाइट and support his mission and give education to each and every child, and let the actual fundamental right that we say, right to education, be implemented to everybody. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Yeah, I am Fatima Fernandez and I work for a company, and I'm into marketing and business development, and now we are an education firm as well, and we are into sending students abroad for further studies. But now again it's more about not only for further education, but it's even about recruitment and employing them abroad, so that they can enhance their talent. There are so many subjects that the students don't know, and this is creating awareness about the subjects that they can explore in, and they can enhance their capabilities and abilities. Many students, they don't understand what their talents and abilities are, and here we are creating that kind of awareness. My company is called Star Uni Advice, and that's what we are all about. And like this I am the universe. It is even creating that potential and making them aware that what they are capable of and what they are all about. That's what we are. We are here to help them and spread the word over there, you know. Thank you.
My name is Rita Bhalla. I do podcast. मैं सिद्दीकी जी के प्रोग्राम में आई हूँ और इनके जो भी काम करते हैं सब बेस्ट होते हैं, सबकी हेल्प होती है उससे, जो हम इनसे सीखते हैं. आई एम ए यूनिवर्स, आई एम ए ब्रह्मास्त्र जो बोलते हैं, ये सबको बोलना चाहिए. और मेरा एक पहचान चैनल है, एक लवली वाइफ्स, 2 चैनल पे मैं काम करती हूँ. मैं सबकी पहचान करती हूँ, वुमेंस के लिए काम करती हूँ, उनके लिए शो अरेंज करती हूँ और उनके लिए मैगजीन करती हूँ. तो मेरे पहचान पॉडकास्ट में आके सब लोग अपनी पहचान बना सकते हैं. यही मैं आप सबको कहना चाहती हूँ. थैंक यू.
So I am Apoorv Bajaj. I am the co-founder and CEO at EduBook. I am from IIT and IIM background. I am a gold medalist from the colleges, also a CFA charter holder. So Shivani, quickly background.
Hi all, my name is Shivani Mehrotra and I was a professor for the past 10 years teaching in various NAC grade A colleges, economics, management and emerging technologies. And we both are the founders of EduBook, where we teach students in AI and other emerging technologies in a no-code manner. Under the name of the program is CETA, Certified Emerging Technologies Analyst Program. And also we have 2 amazing products, True CV and True Jobs.
Yes, where we record the entire credential of the students on the blockchain, like a verifiable LinkedIn profile, and help them with various jobs and internships. And today we are here to record and teach 1 billion students overall and signing an MOU with Professor Siddiqui Company. Thank you so much.